So we'll
Sir,
put
this
the
recording.
GL posting,
Thank you, sir.
GL postings, and in this we have got numbers. While posting, you should get one number. What is that numbers? How these numbers will come? 01 is indicate simple GL account posting. 14, 16, 18 are AR posting. 15, 17, 19, 20 is AP posting. It's a standard point of view. It might ask anything else. But for a GL chapter, I want only 01. Let's go for it. Understand how to do this. FBN1. FBN1 is a transaction code. FBN1 is a transaction code. Company code is, what is the company code?
AL85.
AL85. AL85, click on the span intervals 01. If I take 01, 20, 22, 1 to 99. All I'll create and keep it now only 14,
Okay.
20, 22, so that I don't have to again and again when I'm doing the AP or 100. It should be running number, cannot repeat. I'm taking only 100. In company, they will take difference of what they'll take difference of lakh.
Okay.
100, 200, 200. It depends on the postings, how many postings you do.
I mean, volume of the transaction company gets like.
Exactly, they do know because the number has to generate one number now.
Yes, yes.
$500, 600, 90. $20. This is all I've created 0, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 20, 199, 100. It's the running numbers. Can you see? And here
Yes.
it will reply. Here it is 0 now as of NR status. After the posting, it will come starting. Let's have a look. Now let's go to the GL posting. FB50 is the standard T code. Now, first you need to see whether it's your company code or not. If it is not your company code, change the company code. AL85. AL85. Now, what do you do? You know, for every GL account entry pass, 2 entries are required. Correct? 2 entries.
Yes.
One is debit, one is credit. Document date, today's date. Reference, if you want, you can write the reference. Now, rent paid. Rent account to bank account. Rent account. Identify rent account. Rent account. Rent which rent paid. Debit. I'm putting 100 rupees is my rent. Okay. Credit. Credit. Rent paid to bank account or a cash account, whatever. We'll take ICICI. Okay, these three things we write always. Bank account, rent account to bank account, but this will come as a what? This will come as a numbers because we have taken as a numbers. You have to go select. Once you press enter, the description will come automatically, and it might ask you any other information. We should get tick mark here on the status bar. We should get a green tick. Have a look. 1, 2, 3. See, second line is giving an entry required in validate field. Second line, there is an issue. So go here, validate. If it is not there, just you have to do like this. Validate is today's date. Okay, we don't know what else it is asking. Press enter. You should get this tick. When you get this tick mark for both the lines, then you are right. No other information is required. Click on simulate. Click on simulate. So the moment you simulate, there are two things, extra things appears here. We are in the period of 7th, and that is in the July month. You know, document type SA is generating automatically. I am not put it, but it's generating automatically. And posting key 4050 is coming automatically. I put only debit credit, but posting keys are going to come automatically. The minus is a credit and plus is a debit. Okay, two things I'll be showing you from where it is coming through. Just Kulja Simpson, post it. Post. One should come. See, document one came. Do you remember how from where it came? FB and one just now we created AL 85. See, next will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When it comes to 99, it will stop.
Okay.
Okay. Now let us see how to view that FB03. Put the document number. If you want to see the entry, how we have posted FB03 display document, put the company code and press enter. And you can see the what are the entry you have passed.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah,
Now,
fiscal year is not required, right, sir?
fiscal is not required. Sometimes if you
Okay.
require, if you have done in last year, then you require.
Okay.
Otherwise not required. Now let's go with the posting key 4050 from where it came. OB41 from where it came. Define posting keys 40 and 50 standard. 40 debit, 50 see 40 debit entry, GL account. 50 credit entry, GL account. It is already defined. That's the reason it is coming through. Let's see the essay, document type essay from where it comes. /NOBA7. Go to position, document type essay, GL account document, double click on essay, see.
Yes.
Okay. Now, how to view that line item FBL1N, FBL3N, FBL3N, FBL3N. Put any GL account or put any GL account of your this one AL85, either a debit or a credit GL account. We can put it. I'll put as a rent paid AL85. Open items. Put today's date, whichever dates you wanted, which date from and to. So I'm putting only today's date because just otherwise you can take the range. See, it is there. 100 rupees. Clear? Now let's go. We'll create it. We'll create one more. FB50. FB50. $400, 200. It's a debit. 200. 100 credit. Okay. Okay. Company code. No, simulate. This is the, we saw this posting keys. We saw this document type and post it. Okay, document 2 came. How to see that? Document 2, B03. If you wanted to see, put the document number, just put this enter. You can see how to view the line items.
FBL1N.
3L.
Sorry,
If you want today's date, you can put the today's date so that all the data of today's you will come back to you. So let us think that 200 is a mistake which I made it. I can't edit it. I have to reverse it. Now there is a 300, right? Total. Now I'll reverse this. Let's see. FB08. FB08 for reversing point of view. You should have that invoice. I'm just reversing. 2 is the number. Company code. There was a reason. They wanted some reason. Why do you want it? Anything reason, reversing current period or whatever reasons, you give a reason. Display before reversal. If you want to see the entry, how it looks, what is the entry you are going to reverse it, you can have a look, then press F3 if you want to, and then post it. Number range 02 is missing. Number range 02, so it is asking for a number range which number range I have to create FBN1 02. It's saying create a 02 85. I'll create an 85. I will create 85 as of this one. A 02 it is asking for me. If it asks, we are putting it. So 700 was last 800, 899. Okay, I'm taking that. Now let's go B08. 02 was the issue, but everything I put it and posted 800K. Did you see? We just now put 800. Now FBL, FBL, FBL 3N.
Again. Oh, yes.
Reversed it. Now park and post. Last scenario, which I'm going to do, park and post.
Sir, one question here I have.
Yes.
Suppose we are posting the JE, which is auto reversal. This some accrual entry we have posted, and it will get reversed in next month. In that scenario, can we reverse that entry?
Yeah, you can reverse it. No, what they will do is today they will accrual ke liye they will run one program.
Okay.
Okay, they will get the program and post it for next month. They'll keep it all the accruals. They'll keep it in one next month. That also you can reverse it later.
Okay.
But you should have the document number.
Okay, fine.
That's it. Document number. Say reverse. See if anybody asks you, do you know how to reverse it? Yes. What you have wanted? Give me the document number.
Correct.
Let me go to the line item. Let me see that how it looks first. Then let me reverse and see how it looks. It should be reversed and it should be nullified. See,
Yes.
minus plus nullified. That's the reason only 100 came here.
Okay, correct, sir. So
Okay.
zero impact now.
Yeah,
Yes.
yeah, correct. Because there is no option of editing for an amount or whatever. See, for example, if anybody asks you why do you reverse it? Okay, instead of salary paid, I made it for rent paid. You can't change it. You have to nullify.
Correct.
That is what you can ask them. You can tell them. See, why I do this just to get my configuration is also correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
That is what I do and show you proof. See, we did the configuration, we did the implementation configuration, we create the master data. Now I'm creating this to show the flow. Now you cannot say if you're working as end user also, you should be knowing how to create GL account. You understood. And to create GL only, what are the configuration was required. That is my implementation. Now we'll do park and post. How to park and post. AB50, that's the last scenario. Document date, reference. So same, there is nothing different. Same thing I'm taking, but I'll take 300. Yeah. Clear, you know now. No, without any issues. Just to repeat it. Correct. See, here short text will come automatically. Can you see? Numbers will come here. Short text will come automatically what we have posted. Now, instead of posting here, click on park. See, for example, you're working with your manager. Manager will not give you access to post. Manager says, okay, you park and keep it and give me the document numbers. So when you park, you get one document number. See, document 3 was LFI was parked. So like this, you will go on create for something else. So 5 to 10, and then end of the time you give the numbers to your manager. So what manager will do? How to post it now? Parked was 3. How to post? FBV0. You will go to this code. You will post park document. You will put this document number, whatever given in Excel sheet. You will copy paste it, press it, and the company code you will put it and press enter. And what you will do, you will see the entry is fine or not. If anything has to be edited, you can edit here. He can edit it. Fatafat. Then everything, okay, reference, I want to put one more. I'll just put this and 4, 5, 6. Example, you might put, or you might put the change the dates or whatever. Fatafat. And now go
Uh,
on to post. You will get the same
uh,
number. You will not get a
correct,
3
sir.
we have already got. Document number is what? 3, correct? 3.
Yes, yes.
When you post, it will be 3 only. It will not be 4. Have a look. 1, 2, 3.
Uh, Sir, in this scenario,
Yes.
when I was working for Warner Brothers, so that time we used to park the journal entry. So
Okay.
while park the journal entry, then used to attach all supporting details and all. So once we park, then our manager used to review the supporting documents. If everything is there, then he used to post that entry. So
Exactly.
maybe
This
yes,
is what. This is what he was doing. See, but they get the same number.
yes,
Same. Yes. 3 scenarios I've told you. One is general normal entry. One is the how to, if you're posting
reversal.
invoice and reversing and park and post. That is more than enough. You see, the end result is it is working.
Yes,
You saw that, correct? Cycle.
yes, sir.
Tomorrow's class, what we are doing, we will do this vendors. Vendors, customers are there. Easy. Both we can complete tomorrow.
Oh,
No problem. With the both we can complete tomorrow and I'll give that. Just giving you a practice point of view. Just practice so that we can complete. By next weekend, we should complete half.
yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is which version of SAP, sir? Now we are doing.
This is the version is version 7.5.
Okay.
Why? You're
No,
looking.
sir. No, sir. Yesterday, I was checking in the Google that in 2024 that HANA will implement.
Yeah, Anna will come in 2025.
Okay.
Okay. 2025 it will go. Till then, if you don't get a job, then there is no point, no?
Yes.
2 years are there. So what is the
Okay,
problem?
sir. No, no, sir. I just have a curiosity about that
Okay. No, but
questions.
what I was thinking, see, if you are getting a job within 1 year, you should get now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, correct. Please
Yes,
practice a lot. I'm giving you the
yes.
exact picture. I'm not doing much. I do little, but powerful. That's it.
Yeah, sure, sir. Okay.
Okay. And you should be able to
Okay, sir.
understand. That is important.
Yes.
Right?
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right.
Yeah.
So tomorrow we'll catch it again. I'll share you the document. So you understood, no? How the number
Yes,
ranges
sir. Right.
comes, FBN1.
Yeah.
So you should
Yes.
you should be knowing now. Now, two things you might have this one. You didn't know how the document numbers will generate.
Yes.
Okay, now you understood FBN1.
Yeah. Yes.
FBN1 if go, FBN1 if go, there they're configured. They have configured this. You might be
Yes.
getting some 6-digit number or 4-digit
Yes.
number when you're posting. But here I'm only 3-digit number can come because I've given the
Okay.
number as only 3 digits maximum.
Yes.
Correct. Otherwise, we can give 10 digits.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Sir, one more thing. Sir, in recurring entry also, it's similar. It will be similar only, right?
Similar.
Yes.
Similar. All will be all reversal. You have to use this. All post. What is the park and post? You should use that same T
Okay.
codes. No changes in the T codes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right. Thank you. So we'll see tomorrow. Tomorrow we'll
Yes,
see
sir.
on the vendors.
Okay.
Vendor part. Okay.
Yes.
Bye.
Okay. Thank you,
Bye.
sir. Have a nice day.
You too.